I think you know it's a lie.
You know
Eric!
what? This is the start of my villain era. Now,
Do
since I got
you
lied to.
have... Do you have a...
Do I have the cat?
Let me see.
Yes. Now this is my villain era. I'm gonna be Dark Levi.
Do you have a goose?
How much is it?
Goose.
13 episodes for how much? Fucking 17 euros.
Oh, it's getting worse, brother.
Oh,
$15.
I'm putting my drink away. I'm still getting invited
Let's
to
have
jam
some
and
fun,
Justice.
everyone. Jam,
What the
Jam,
hell
get out of the
happened
way.
to the graphics?
What do you mean what happened to the graphics? Nothing happened.
Mine looks so crap.
how do I drink the thing?
Drink it, drink it. Drink it both hands, both hands.
Both hands?
It's just because your
Who
PC's
do I
crap.
have? Who do I have?
Ew, oh,
Bomb.
this is
You
so,
have a bomb.
this is so gross. It looks like an old PS2 game.
That's what I think every time I see your face.
Oh, shit.
I'm a believer.
I know, thank you. I'm here all week.
Not a trace.
Oh, come
I'm
on.
out of my mind.
There we go.
I'm in love. Ooh,
Oh, god damn
I'm
it.
a
No,
believer.
no,
I could deliver.
no.
If I tried. I knocked myself out as I was
That
falling
tells
off
you how
the
much
thing.
I've begun to see Shrek.
Can we watch Shrek tonight?
No,
I thought we were watching
Watch
Master of
Friday.
Disguise.
Oh, I want
Master
to
of
do Master
the-
of Disguise.
I was gonna say we're watching Lords of the Fallen.
Hey, yo.
The fuck?
You know...
He's gonna burn out. Oh no, Leo!
Leo! No!
Damn it. I don't know, it's just like I'm
I
sweating.
thought
a
you were the
lot.
roly-poly king.
Well, Master, but
The king got dethroned.
Get it right. Oh!
bombs.
Look what I got! Look what I got! Look what I got!
Whee! I mean, I'm saved.
Whew. Ah!
Meadow, where'd you go?
No, 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 no.
What? Oh shit! Wait, wait. hold
Leo!
on. How are there more of you? The game didn't
I'm
end.
trying.
Yes, it
I'm
did.
about to fall off, Leo!
Oh, okay, so this is a
No!
different game.
This is. I literally threw you off the edge.
God.
Jam.
Alright.
It's up to you, Leo.
Oh, hello. You kicked my bomb out of my hands.
No. Babe, did you see if anyone was already watching?
That's my feet.
You sleepy too?
Jam, get rid of the competition. Go.
I'm trying. Ooh.
Oh gosh. That's on you.
You got this, Leo. You forget how to dive. Are you playing on controller or
Killed
PC?
everybody.
Fuck!
Let's
I'm
go,
playing on
Leo.
Oh shit.
On controller. Is anyone else on controller? Well, I don't know. I don't know what the button is to dive.
To like dive as in roly poly.
Roly poly.
I
Mina!
is jump is like doing a headbutt. Do the headbutt motion and jump.
Do the headbutt motion and jump, Leo says. I was busy. I was trying to help him, Mida, and you killed me.
That's so
Alrighty.
rude, Mida.
On my birthday affiliate celebration stream?
Yeah, you better.
That's crazy.
Oh shit.
Everyone get Mida. That was so disrespectful.
That is so
Oh.
disrespectful.
That's disrespectful
Oh,
for my culture.
I died.
Serves you right.
Look out.
The AI wants to get to me? Are you that racist?
Oh.
Damn.
Not the
Who knew
racist
that robots
AIs.
are racist?
I knew.
The
I programmed
AIs
them
do.
that way.
Oh shit. I was gonna say they are given a little racism. Soggy's going with the boomerang. Beware! Beware!
Soggy, you got
Yeah.
It's a hit or miss.
Ow!
In which case it's a hit on him.
I don't even know how to use a fucking boomerang. Cause I know that shit
You're
would.
not Australian enough.
I really am not. Oh shit.
I got Soggy with my bomb!
That
You almost made it out!
racism.
Yeah.
Exactly, Kilana.
Oh, you almost made it!
Not close enough.
Victory!
You know
For
what
the
that
Roly
means, guys.
Poly
We gotta target
Master! Redemption!
That's
Oh.
scary.
Hello.
Hey,
The blankets that are in
Rude.
the living room. Well, pretty much need to clean up the living
You
room
got
where
the
she's
chance.
gonna
Just
sit.
over
go,
here.
go around. Don't get hit. Get around, don't get hit.
The pillow.
get
sheets.
around, I get around.
Get around, get around.
Yeah, that's right. Get over here. Come here. Come here.
You absolutely.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Jam, you have to win this jam.
Jam, it's all up to you.
It just plunged Leo in the face and took him out.
That's a piece of
There you
poop.
go. Plunge that booty.
It's like, yeah, Jam, you got this. Jam, question. Do you know how to roly-poly?
Yes.
Do you want to build a snowman?
I'm asking.
Who knocked me out? Who knocked me out?
Who knocked you up?
No! No! Jam!
Come on, Eric,
Just
go!
jump! No! Okay, you can go run.
No, don't go for the shovel,
Oh,
Eric!
God damn it.
Yes! You did it!
Ah,
No
damn it.
shot.
Damn, you somehow
No
won.
shot. No shot. I was. My cheeks were clenched so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god.
She was so focused.
I
She
was so
she
focused.
was silent.
You did it!
Let's go. I actually won one.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah!
Oh my god. My stomach's clenched. Once I learn how to dive, I'll be dominant. Wait, so we're trying to help.
I'm
literally
what was
just
the
a
thing
girl.
again?